Yes, children. So now let's read the question carefully. We are given in the figure ABC, A, B, C, and DBC, D, B, C. Now you get to know why the naming is not in order. Because we are given A, B, C, and D, B on the same base BC. These are actually the two triangles on the same base BC. We are given BC and AD intersect each other at O, and we need to show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal AO upon DO. Children, just see. I have always told you that it is important to know what we have to do, but at the same time, it is equally important to know what we do not have to do. Now, looking at the thing that we are talking of area of two triangles and the ratio of the triangles, we will be going for area theorem. But children, no. We are not going to apply that area theorem here. I tell you the reason. Area theorem says that area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of the sides, right? Do we have ratio of the sides here? ABC. Look at the triangle
No,
ABC.
ma'am. Not the
Is
sides of the
AO
triangle.
is AO a side? No.
No,
Is
ma'am.
DO a side of ABC?
No, ma'am.
Again, no. So we are not going to apply that area theorem here. First of all, be clear about it. All right. So now, if not area theorem, then what else should we be doing? Children, are you clear that why we are not going to apply area theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, if not area theorem, what else should we be doing? We should be applying the formula of area of triangle. The formula of area of triangle. And what is the area of triangle?
Half into base
Half
into
into
height.
base into height.
Very good. So in triangle ABC, the base is BC.
BC.
And in triangle DBC, base is again
Same.
BC. Let us drop perpendicular on BC. In triangle ABC, if I drop a perpendicular, let's say, it will be, let's say, M. AM perpendicular BC. In this triangle, the perpendicular will be something like this. Let's say DL. So I am doing a construction here. And the construction is draw AM perpendicular BC and DN perpendicular BC. Clear, children? Now let us start from the left hand side. Let us start from the left hand side. So in the left hand side, I have area triangle ABC divided by area triangle DBC, which is equal to half into base. Now base here is BC, height here is AM. Half, again the base is what? BC, and the height is clear. So half and half cancel. BC and BC also cancel. What are we left with?
AM upon DN.
Yes. We are left with AM upon DN.
DN.
Let me call it equation 1. Right, children? I have got that area of these two triangles is equal to AM upon DN. But I actually want to show that this should be equal to AO upon DO.
DO.
This should be equal to AO upon DO. How can it be done? If I show that these two are equal, will I be done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rough work here. RW is rough work. Just for your understanding, that we are getting that this should be equal to AM upon DN. But according to what is to be shown, it has to be equal to AO upon DO. It is possible if I show these two ratios to be equal. And again, the same hint. When we have to show that two ratios are equal, what is the hint I have given you since day one? Trace the side.
Trace the side.
AM, DN. Which are the two triangles being formed here?
Triangle
Triangle
MO
and triangle
and
DON.
DNO.
If I prove these two triangles to be similar, will my job be done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in these two triangles, angle M equal angle N. Why?
90 degree.
How about these two angles?
Vertically opposite angles.
Angle, are these two triangles similar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, in triangle AOM and triangle DON, angle M is equal to angle N, each 90 degree. Angle AOM is equal to DON, vertically opposite angle. So this gives me that triangle AOM is similar triangle DON by angle beta. Yes? And this further gives me that AM upon DN is equal AO upon DN. Sides of
Similar triangles.
similar triangles are in
Proportion.
call it 2. So from 1 and 2, do we get the desired result?
Yes, ma'am.
So from 1 and 2, area triangle ABC upon area triangle BBC is equal AO upon DO.
DO.
Hence, proof. Hence, proof.